Muraho nanone nongeye kubashimira cyane mwe mukomeje kubana nanjye uburyo tugenda twiga sessions zitandukanye haba muri literature in English twatangiye kurebera hamwe icyo bita grammar English grammar in use. Tukaba tugeze kuri simple past, tugiye kureba uburyo n'ubundi wakoresha simple past igihe uri kuvuga ku bintu byashize cyangwa se mu gihe cyashize. Kibisanzwe rero we start with example situation which helps us to dive into the session. An example there. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was was an Australian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5 and wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died. Batangira tubwira ko Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart batubwiye ko ni umuririmbyi wandika indirimbo wo muri Australia. Yabayeho hagati y'1756 kugeza 1791. Yatangiye kwandika indirimbo afite imyaka 5. Bavuga ko yanditse indirimbo zingana na 600. Yapfuye afite imyaka 35. Lived, started, wrote, was, died are all past simple. We don't say simple past. We say past simple. Very often, the past simple ends in ed, regular verbs. Akenshi simple past, verb zo muri simple past nyinshi y'urukwisha muri simple past dusoza cyangwa se akajambo gasoza cyangwa se umuge musoza ni ed. For example there, I work in a travel agency now. Before that, I worked in a shop. Bavuga ko ubu ngubu nkora muri agence itwara abagenzi ariko mbere nakoraga mu duka. Urabona worked inyuma hariho ed. We invited them in our party but they decided not to come. We invited, we see there ed and decided ed. The police stopped me in my way home last night. Abapolisi bampagaritse igihe najyaga mu rugo ijoro rishize. Kuri stop we added ed. She passed her exam because she studied very well or very hard. Yakoze ikizamini cye kubera ko nubundi yari yarize cyane. We use simple past when we talk about an activity or action that take place in the past and has already finished. We use past simple when we talk about an activity or action which takes place in the past and had already finished. In question and negative, we use did or did not plus infinitive. Example there. A. Did you go out last night? Yes, I went to the cinema, but I didn't enjoy the film much. When did Mr. Thomas die? About 10 years ago. Those are the examples which helps us to understand how you can use simple past when you narrate an activity that takes place in the past. Did you have time to write a letter? No, I didn't. We are studying or we are seeing how we can use simple past or past simple in questions and negative, where we use did and did not plus infinitive. Be careful when do is the main verb in a sentence. For example there, what did you do at the weekend? We don't say, what did you at the weekend? That is mistake. That is a mistake. The past of be, I am, you are, and he or she is, was, or were. Note that. That is a notice. We do not use did in the negative and question with was and well. Ntabwo dukoresha did muri negation cyangwa se muri negative and question mu gihe dufite mo verb ya was and well. Verb to be iri muri simple past kuko tuba tuzi ko ari was and well. For example there, I was ugly because they were late. Nababaye bitewe kubera yuko bakererewe. Was the weather good when you were on holiday? Ese igihe cyari kimeze neza igihe wari mu kiruhuko? They weren't able to come because they were so busy. Ntabwo babashije kuza kubera ko bari bafite ibintu byinshi bari gukora. Did you go out last night or were you too tired? Ese wagiye hanze cyangwa se wasohotse ijoro ryashize cyangwa se warurushe? This is how we use simple past. We use simple past when we talk about an activity that takes place in the past. Dukoresha simple past igihe turi kuvuga ku bintu byarangiye. Kandi tubonye ko dukoresha simple past igihe twongera inyuma kuri verbe iriya ed kuri regular. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, my friend.